Creating unique furniture pieces requires patience, attention to detail, and continuous learning. As a woodworker, making products for sale, you need to embrace the process and be open to experimentation and adaptation throughout the project. With time and practice, you can refine your skills and create truly exceptional furniture pieces. This will enable you to market your products consistently and at a higher price. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of beautiful wood furniture ideas you can try making at home for personal use or for sale. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Selecting materials is one of the first things you need to make when starting up a given woodworking project. Choose the materials that best suit your design concept and desired functionality. Consider options like different types of wood or a combination of materials whereby the wood is used in conjunction with metals, glasses, plastics or fabrics. Take into account factors like durability, sustainability and aesthetic appeal. Research suppliers and ensure you have access to the necessary materials. After selecting the materials, develop a construction plan. Based on your design and materials, develop a step-by-step construction plan. Break down the process into smaller tasks and determine the order in which they will be executed. Consider the tools and techniques required for each step. Then, obtain the necessary tools and equipment. Gather the tools and equipment needed for your project. This may include basic tools like saws, drills, sanders, and clamps, as well as specialized tools depending on the materials and techniques you'll be using. Ensure you have a safe and well-equipped workspace to carry out the construction process. Construction and assembly. Follow your construction plan and begin building your furniture piece. Cut and shape the materials according to your design specifications. Use appropriate joinery techniques and fasteners to assemble the components securely. Pay attention to details like sanding, smoothing, edges, and ensuring proper alignment. Regarding finishing and surface treatment, apply the desired finish to your furniture piece to enhance its appearance and protect the materials. This can include staining, painting, varnishing, or applying a protective coating. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for each type of finish and ensure proper ventilation and safety precautions during the application process, as some chemicals used in the manufacturing of the surface treatment or finishing additives can be harmful. After finishing, you need to do quality check and refinement. Once the construction and finishing are complete, carefully inspect your furniture piece for any imperfections or areas that require refinement. Make any necessary adjustments or repairs to ensure the final product meets your expectations in terms of quality and functionality. You can also consider adding unique Unique touches and customizations. Consider adding unique touches or customizations to make sure your furniture piece is truly one of a kind. This can include decorative elements, carvings, inlays, upholstery, or other personalization options. Use your creativity to add special details that reflect your style and make the piece uniquely yours. Final evaluation and testing. Before placing your furniture piece in its intended location, evaluate its functionality and usability. Test its stability, weight-bearing capacity, and any moving parts. Sit or use the furniture as intended to ensure it meets your comfort and usability requirements. Finally, showcase and enjoy your creation. Showcase your unique furniture piece in your desired space and enjoy the satisfaction of having created something with your own hands. Share your creation with others and appreciate the craftsmanship and creativity that went into making your unique furniture piece. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked beautiful wood furniture ideas you can try making at home for personal use or for sale. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.